Hi, my name is John. Welcome to the first Sunday of November. First Sunday of the month is always my free draw video. So I'm going to carry on and do the free draw now. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on my computer and try and find a winner. Right, Tom Alaffin 9765. Yeah, this month's lucky winner. All you have to do is send me an email. That's my address up there, and I'll get the prizes pushed off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway for this month, giveaway 11, and I'm going to show the prizes now. Double Boost Twisted Engineering Cup. These are made by my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Set of 3 different twist drills. 1mm to 10mm. I use these all the time. They're good drills. I don't get them free. I've got to buy the bastard things. Little bottle of anchor lube. You can buy anchor lube on eBay. Just type in anchor lube. I use this stuff all the time. Really is good gear. 3 nice prizes. Well worth winning. If you want to enter this month's free draw, all you need to do is obviously watch and subscribe to my channel. And in the comment box on this video, you must write the following comment. I mean, you can write anything you want, as long as it says this: 2025 giveaway 11. All lower space, no full stops, no nothing like that. 2025 giveaway 11. My computer will find a winner from that.